Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
It's a cold one this evening in the Rogue Valley. A live look at Ashland. Low clouds have filled back in. There were some breaks in parts of the Rogue Valley, but we'll once again see fairly overcast skies for tonight. Maybe some areas of fog in the mix as well. 37 in Grants Pass, 35 in Medford. It's 32 degrees in Ashland and 42 in Brookings. Now let's head down into Siskiyou County. Temperatures are quite cold. Some of these low clouds were also pretty stubborn. Only 28 right now in Wairika and Weed, 29 in Mount Shasta, and 23 in Doris. East of the Cascades, temperatures in the teens and 20s, 10 in Lakeview, it's 19 in Klamath Falls, and 21 degrees in Chiloquin. Now we have fairly light winds, calm conditions right now in Klamath Falls. That's allowed some of that freezing fog to start to develop in the basin, and air quality is being reduced because of this stagnant air mass. There's not a lot of wind to mix things up, so air quality moderate in Medford, Grants Pass, as well as Wairika, also moderate in Klamath Falls and Lakeview. Take a look at the air stagnation advisory. This is for basically inland valleys and then also along the coast until 4 a.m. on Saturday. Because of the poor mixing, there will be reductions in air quality, especially at night and in the mornings. That's when we could see air quality getting towards unhealthy for sensitive groups and even unhealthy for all in some spots. Now, we did see a little weak disturbance roll through the east side, some flurries in the mix as well, but that has cleared out. We have mainly clear skies across the region except for those clouds that are going to be filling into the valleys. We're going to stay very quiet. It's very tranquil across the Pacific Northwest, and that'll be the case really right through this weekend. Tonight down to 24 in Medford, 7 in Klamath Falls, 20 in Mount Shasta, 3 degrees below zero in Lakeview. So again, very cold temperatures. There is a freeze warning in northern Curry County, north of Port Orford. Tomorrow we expect sunny skies for the mountains and the coast. Winds will pick up for the mountains, but valleys will stay fairly calm. It could get a little bit breezy in Ashland, but that would be about it. That should allow low clouds to break up a bit quicker. We should generally see clouds decreasing, but there still could be some areas of stubborn cloud cover tomorrow just with this weather pattern that we're in. Notice how these winds pick up along the Cascades, the coastal mountains as well. Winds will back off though as we head through the day on Friday in those higher elevations. So starting off with the clouds, cold temperatures in the Rogue Valley. As the air mass dries out, the clouds will likely become less and less stubborn into the weekend for the valleys. And then next week, we're watching the potential of some wet weather to move back in the region, rain and snow. Details still fuzzy, but we'll of course keep you posted. In the meantime, the coast, sunny skies the next couple of days, pretty mild temperatures with readings in the 50s tomorrow. Northern California, chilly, cold in the mornings, that's for sure, and low clouds and some fog will be possible in the valleys each morning. The Klamath Basin, those temperatures staying cold, not only pretty frigid in the mornings, but afternoons still rather chilly, not really making it above freezing even into the weekend. The mountains breezy the next couple of days, lighter winds into the weekend, staying dry with quite a bit of sunshine. And then for the Rogue Valley, we're going to continue to deal with this stagnant air mass, some reductions in air quality, and morning clouds and fog. Hopefully they'll be becoming a bit less stubborn with that cloud cover as we move into the weekend.